If you'd like to give your students the ability to register themselves for lessons, TutorBird can save you a lot of time by allowing you to create open lesson slots. First, navigate to the calendar from the main menu on the left. Click on the date of the lesson and select Quick Add Lesson from the pop-up. Select Open Lesson Slot from the Student drop-down list. Choose the date and time. If you teach at multiple locations or have multiple tutors, you'll have to choose those options as well. Set the visibility to public. This will allow your students to see this lesson in the student portal. If this lesson slot repeats each week, choose the appropriate recurring settings. Click Save to create this lesson slot. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please email us at support@tutorbird.com.